Do you say, she sings beautiful, or she sings beautifully? Do you say, he runs quick, or he runs quickly? Small mistakes with adverbs can completely change your sentence. Today, we will make adverbs clear, simple, and easy to use. Hello, and welcome to episode 14 of the Solo English podcast. In this lesson, we will learn about adverbs. Adverbs are words that describe verbs, adjectives, and even other adverbs. They help us understand how, when, where, and how often something happens. By the end of this episode, you will know how to use adverbs correctly without confusion. Adverbs give more information about an action. They answer questions like how, when, where, how often, and to what degree? Examples. She runs quickly. How? I will meet you tomorrow. When? He looked everywhere. Where? We always eat dinner together. How often? It is very cold today. To what degree? Many adverbs are formed by adding lie to adjectives. Examples. Quick, quickly. Beautiful, beautifully. Happy, happily. But not all adverbs end in lie. Examples. Fast, hard, well, late. These are special adverbs. Example sentences. He runs fast. She works hard. I am doing well. They arrived late. Adverbs can be grouped into types. Adverbs of manner, how something happens. Example, slowly, loudly, carefully. Adverbs of time, when something happens. Example, yesterday, now soon. Adverbs of place, where something happens. Example, here, there, everywhere. Adverbs of frequency, how often something happens. Example, always, sometimes, never. Adverbs of degree, how much or to what extent. Example, very, too, almost. Adverbs of manner tell us how an action happens. Examples, he speaks softly. She dances beautifully. They worked carefully. Rule. Adverbs of manner usually come after the verb or after the object. Example, she sang the song beautifully. Adverbs of time tell us when something happens. Examples, I will call you tomorrow. She is leaving now. We met yesterday. The train will arrive soon. Rule. Adverbs of time often come at the end of the sentence, but sometimes at the beginning for emphasis. Adverbs of place show location. Examples, he looked everywhere. Come here, please. They lived nearby. We walked outside. Rule. Adverbs of place usually come after the main verb or after the object. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens. Examples, I always brush my teeth. She usually wakes up early. They sometimes play football. He rarely eats sweets. We never skip breakfast. Rule. Frequency adverbs usually go before the main verb, but after be. Example, she always studies. Example, he is always busy. Adverbs of degree show intensity. Examples, this book is very interesting. She is too tired. The movie was quite good. I almost finished my homework. We are extremely happy. Rule. They usually come before adjectives, other adverbs, or verbs. Mistake 1. Using an adjective instead of an adverb. Wrong. She speaks good. Correct. She speaks well. Mistake 2. Adding lie when not needed. Wrong. He runs fastly. Correct. He runs fast. Mistake 3. Wrong position of adverbs. Wrong. She sings beautifully always. Correct. She always sings beautifully. Let's practice together. He runs underscore underscore underscore. Answer. Quickly, fast, slowly. They arrived underscore underscore underscore. Answer. Late, early, suddenly. She speaks underscore underscore underscore. Answer. Clearly, softly, loudly. Summary. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. They answer questions like how, when, where, how often, and to what degree. There are different types: manner, time, place, frequency, and degree. Be careful with word forms and word order. That's the end of episode 14 of the Solo English podcast. Today we learned about adverbs, their types, and how to use them correctly. In the next episode, we will continue with another useful topic: English conjunctions. See you in episode 15.